Hi everyone! Orange HRM introduces a number of new features and enhancements to each product release. This video summarises the key features incorporated into the online training and request desk modules in version 2.0. Let's go ahead and explore these new features. Request desk. Job requisition is an important part of the hiring process, especially in companies with HR departments who adopt formal HR procedures. In such companies, a department manager who needs to hire more people would complete a job requisition and send it to the HR department. The HR team would evaluate the requirements and resources needed to accommodate a new hire, and once approval is received from the relevant decision makers, this approved job requisition is sent to the recruiters who use it to write a job posting. With this new release, the admin user can configure forms in the Request Desk module for hiring requisitions in the organisation. We have significantly improved the workflows within Request Desk. Now, when setting up a hiring requisition, it is possible to select multiple approvers up to a maximum of 5 within the form. It is now possible to maintain the form in a draft state by clicking the Save option. Once all the required information is added, you can click Submit. If there are more evaluators involved in a specific request form, upon submitting the request, the system notifies the approvers. Through the approval process, if an approver has approved the request, the action owner responsible for the next stage of the request is detailed in the Pending With section in the system. If management has requested a copy of the request for internal or offline review purposes, now it is possible to export the requests into PDF format. The Orange HRM Request Desk dashboard screen has been further enhanced to display the various statuses of all requests in the system. These statistics will be really helpful to HR, allowing them to easily track tickets and understand the status of each ticket in the system. Online training. With this new release, it is now possible to create a custom user role as a course coordinator for your online training courses and assign this user role to any employee within the organisation. Specific data group permissions can then be assigned via the Orange HRM user role section. When a course is being defined in the system, should review and approval of this course be required by senior management within the organisation, this new OTM release allows the admin user or the training coordinator to set up to 5 approvers and 5 reviewers for a course by simply enabling this option within the system. If multiple approvers and reviewers have been added, you may check the status with this View Status option. It is possible to copy already created courses in the system to save you having to create the same course again from the beginning. Also, if you wish to expire a particular course, with this release this is also easily achievable. Under the Assessment section, when you are creating any question, now it is possible to select the question type. Should a question have more than one answer, you can define the answer format as checkbox, thus allowing more than one option to be selected. It is now also possible to add all the questions to an assessment by firstly downloading the sample Excel sheet, adding the required questions by completing the following columns in the CSV file, and then uploading this to the system. Through this export feature, you can now also download all the questions in an assessment. Should you wish to randomize the questions for the employees, you can simply enable via this option and define the number of questions that need to be randomized. When you are selecting the employees for the assessment, now you can define the due dates for when the assigned course or assessment needs to be completed. Before signing off on a course or assessment, the approvers or reviewers can add comments and then approve the course. The system presents a password authentication pop-up window allowing the approvers and reviewers to provide their username and password to sign off the course. The system also facilitates the tracking of the statuses of both the approvers and the reviewers. Upon sign-off, the course coordinator can proceed to publish the course to the employees. Course Material Analytics report has been further improved with a number of additional fields. Furthermore, we have incorporated the online training module material in the audit trail to track any changes that have been made in the module. This information can also be downloaded to CSV and PDF format. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.